Hello class, my name is Professor McQuain. Um, I'm here to show you guys about learning ecosystems, how to navigate it in Google Classroom. First off, you got to go to the Google Classroom website and then select that you are a student and type in our class code, which is right here, YR33YVK. On the stream, you can see the announcements for the class, what I've posted, how to reach me via my phone or my email. Go to classwork. You can see that I've already posted something. It's just an introductory activity. Come over to people, meet the teachers of the class, your other students. Come over to grades and see your own grades for the class. You can go over to the main menu, select calendar. This will show what assignments are due when, what we're planning to do, stuff like that, but it can change. Come to review. You can see what you need to review or what you already have reviewed for future references. Go back to the classes, and right there you can see all your classes, and in this case it's only one, but right here you can see your upcoming, what work is due and when. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good year, and I'm going to enjoy teaching you.